I'm back, Today, we're making tostadas. And it's not your normal tostada. It's so good, it's going to make you want to pinch your neighbor's Today, we're making tostadas. And it's not your normal tostada. It's so good, it's going to make you want to pinch your neighbor's
Are you okay?
Today, we're making a tostada. And it's not just your regular tostada. It's a tostada con frijoles, huevos, queso, and a little bit of chorizo. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Sean here with the Garlic and Butter Guy. As you can see, we had a really good time doing that little intro. My brother didn't know which one to post. We did several of them. But anyways, today we're cooking a tostada. Tostada means toasted. So pretty much it's just your tortilla that's toasted with oil. Instead of it buying it, off the market, you do your own. So let's get started. Now, first things first, I have a quarter onion that I'm gonna dice up. Also, turn on your pan. Neutral oil goes in just to cover just a little bit, just like that. Cover the pan. Now to this, the quarter onion goes in. Also, if you like to add jalapeno, I like to add it in mine. Go ahead and dice that up. Cut it up, small cubes, however you like. Well, everybody likes to add their own thing to it, so don't judge me and say, "Oh, that's not how you do it."
I'm really, when I laugh, I belly laugh, and then the camera's gonna be
Just shaking, yeah. So I'm just gonna cook this down a little bit. Once this cooks down, we'll go ahead and add the jalapeno. Now, for this pan goes on. The chorizo they sell pre-made, pre-packaged already. I've tried that. If you can, get a chorizo that's fresh, ready to go from the butcher. I was lucky enough to find some, and we're gonna go ahead. This is 1 pound of chorizo. I'm not adding oil to this because this is heavily oiled already. There's a lot of oil in it. So we're just gonna cook it down, smash it up, and you'll see the oils coming out already from, and this is pork chorizo, by the way. If you like soy, go ahead and use soy. If you like beef, go ahead and use beef. It's all choice. So let this cook out a little bit. Check on the onions. Good enough. Now I'll throw in the jalapeno.
Look at you multitasking over here, huh?
Huh?
So look at you multitasking over here.
Oh, bro. I can dance while I do this too.
Okay?
Uh-huh. But I'm not going to. All right, let's give this a little stir. Let all the moisture come out. And let it release all the natural oils. Well, the fat from the pork, I should say. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever had it. Obviously, most of you probably have. But if you haven't had it, this is a great snack. Something you can go to when you don't want to sit there and cook for hours. It's just a tortilla. Now, usually you can buy this stuff ready to go. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually fry our own tortilla. And honestly, it's so different in taste. It's amazing. And it doesn't take long at all. It's like a minute, minute and a half on each side. The tortilla gets fried and it literally becomes like this, but actually 100 times better. So I'm gonna do that for you in a minute. I'll let this cook down a little bit. This is ready. The onions and the jalapeno is pretty much ready. Now, the beans, the frijoles, don't judge me on this, okay? Don't have time. I didn't have time to make fresh beans. So we're gonna use canned beans. And if you have a problem with it, what? So we'll go ahead and use our canned bean if it wants to come out. Smash it up. So we'll give it a minute to cook out. While that's cooking, check on the chorizo. All right, the chorizo needs about another minute or two. You should be good. The beans, mix them up. And you see the beans are loosening up. What I like to do to get them even looser is, this is a technique I learned from a friend of mine. It gives it that wet look to it. Now, if you use the fresh beans, that's 100 times better. There's no question about that. But due to time-wise, we're just using the canned beans for now. All right. to the beans. A little bit of salt. Some pinch of black pepper. Now, the secret to this is milk. Milk or cream. And that gives it that loose look to it. You see that? So we'll let the moisture cook off of the milk. And you see you get that consistency. And right about now, I like to add 1 head of garlic clove. That's preference. And what that's just gonna do is just gonna give it a little bit more of a different flavor. So let's mix that. Beautiful. If you want it a little bit more wet, add a little bit more milk. It's however you like the consistency, right? All right, I'm gonna turn off. Oh, beautiful. All right, the chorizo's done. Frijoles is done. Let's see. Oh yeah. Ooh. Boom. Awesome. All right, guys, now it's time to make this tortilla look like one of these hard ones. So, real simple. Neutral oil, right? Tortilla goes in and let this cook.
Make sure the oil's hot.
And make sure the oil's hot. Now, what I like to do is this center starts to blow up a little bit, right? So I like to push it down. That way we have a bed to put the frijoles, chorizo, the egg, and all that stuff into it. Take your tongs, flip it over. And as it fries, it's gonna harden up, so we won't have that bubble in the center. Now, let's check on this. Oh yeah, see, it hardened up. Give it another 30 to 41 seconds. All right, this is good enough. Perfect. Let that oil out because we're on a diet. I'll set this right here. Now we bring in the pan for frying the egg. Pan on, neutral oil. And I forgot the egg. I'll be back. All right, I'm back with the egg.
Perfect.
Perfect. Neutral oil, crack the egg. Now, you see the egg spreading, right? Typically, that's what it does. So kind of just play with it until it stiffens. I like to keep it close quarters. That way we have room to put it on the tostada. You see? Don't go anywhere. Some black pepper. Now, that was salt.
Salt.
Some black pepper. Perfect. Now we're gonna let this egg cook and we're gonna put everything together. I'm gonna turn off the fire, the flames. I'm gonna take it, give it one little flip. Now we're gonna take the frijoles, the beans, take your tortilla. Careful your pan doesn't fall. Take the beans, spread it. Ooh, beautiful. To that goes your chorizo. Put it on top of the beans. Bro, I can't wait to bite into this with the chili oil. Now comes the egg. Perfect.
Look at that.
Bro, this is delicious. Mr. Avocado. I'll just put a couple. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up a piece of Queso Fresco. I like to kind of stick with the traditional into this. Take it, crumble it up. Oh my God. If that's not making your mouth water, you got problems. Now we'll go ahead and add, what's up, Pepper? Pepper's our dog.
Yeah.
This is the chili oil that I make at home. And it's chile aceite, matcha, whatever you want to call it. It's spicy and it's really, really good. So I'm gonna drizzle a little bit on top. Well, there you have it, folks. Tostadas con huevos, frijoles, chorizo, avocado. Did I say avocado? Whatever. Avocado, cheese, and some salsa matcha, some chili oil. And now it's time for me to eat. Ready?
Go.
Mmm.
Did you get all of it?
I think my nose went in it. That was bomb. Let me finish. Am I good?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Another great episode. We had a really fun time doing this one. And until the next one, we'll see you on the next episode.